Casement Windows Lafayette is a top choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. Our expert window replacement services in Lafayette ensure that you receive the best casement windows tailored to your needs. Whether you're interested in energy-efficient casement windows or custom casement windows, our team is ready to assist. Energy-efficient casement windows. Lafayette are a popular choice in Lafayette due to their ability to reduce energy costs. Our Lafayette window replacement experts specialize in installing double-glazed casement windows, which provide superior insulation and noise reduction. With our energy-efficient windows in Lafayette, you can enjoy a comfortable home environment year-round. Custom casement windows. Lafayette offer a unique opportunity to personalize your home's appearance. Our casement window contractors provide a wide range of options, including vinyl casement windows, aluminum casement windows, and wooden casement windows. Each material offers distinct benefits, allowing you to choose the best fit for your style and budget. Vinyl casement windows in Lafayette are known for their durability and low maintenance requirements. These windows are an excellent choice for homeowners looking for a cost-effective solution without compromising on quality. Our Lafayette window replacement services include a variety of vinyl windows to suit any home design. Aluminum casement windows. Lafayette offer a sleek, modern look that complements contemporary home designs. These windows are lightweight yet strong, providing excellent security and longevity. Our window contractors in Lafayette can help you select the perfect aluminum windows for your home. Wooden casement windows in Lafayette provide a classic, timeless appeal that enhances any home's charm. Our custom windows in Lafayette include a range of wooden options that can be tailored to your specific preferences. With proper casement window maintenance, wooden windows can last for decades. Casement windows. Lafayette replacement is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Our window repair services in Lafayette address common issues such as broken casement window hardware, damaged window screens, and faulty casement window locks. Trust our experts to restore your windows to their original condition. Double-glazed casement windows in Lafayette are an excellent investment for homeowners seeking enhanced insulation and noise reduction. Our Lafayette window replacement experts can install these windows to improve your home's energy efficiency and comfort. Enjoy the benefits of reduced energy bills and a quieter living space with our double-glazed windows in Lafayette.